Do this in the vagina and she will never forget you. An article about the power of connection and intimacy in a sexual relationship is an important topic that deserves to be explored in detail. A relationship between two people is often built on trust. And when that trust is broken, it can cause a great deal of pain. This is especially true when it comes to the act of sex. When two people share a sexual experience, it can be incredibly powerful and intimate, and can create a lasting bond between them. When a man takes the time to do something special and intimate in the bedroom, the woman he is with will never forget him. Whether it is a massage, a special position, or a tender moment, any gesture of thoughtfulness and care will not go unnoticed. The act of sex is often seen as a purely physical act, but it can also be a deeply emotional experience. When a man takes the time to do something special, it demonstrates that he cares about his partner and is willing to put effort into creating a meaningful, intimate experience. This can be a powerful way to create a deep connection between two people, and it can create strong feelings of love and respect. The power of connection and intimacy can be further enhanced if a man takes the time to learn about the woman's body and her pleasure points. This can include learning about her erogenous zones, her favorite positions, and her preferences for different types of stimulation. Taking the time to know and understand a woman's body can make the sexual experience much more pleasurable and meaningful for both parties. The connection and intimacy created through a sexual experience can be incredibly powerful, and it can create a lasting bond between two people. However, it is important to remember that the act of sex is not just a physical act, but it can also be a deeply emotional experience. When a man takes the time to do something special and intimate in the bedroom, the woman he is with will never forget him. Intimacy and connection are not just limited to physical touch or sexual acts. Even in a casual or platonic relationship, taking the time to get to know someone and understand what they like and dislike is an important part of creating a lasting connection. Whether it is through conversation, shared experiences, or simply spending time together, any effort to create a meaningful relationship will be remembered by the other person. When it comes to sex, the same is true. When a man takes the time to do something special and intimate, it demonstrates that he cares about his partner and is willing to put effort into creating a meaningful, intimate experience. Taking the time to learn what the woman likes and dislikes, understanding her pleasure points, and engaging in meaningful conversations can all help to create a connection and intimacy that will last long after the physical act of sex is over. In conclusion, the act of sex is a powerful way to create a strong bond between two people, and it is important to remember that it is more than just a physical act. Taking the time to do something special and intimate not only shows the other person that you care, but it can create a lasting connection that will never be forgotten. Whether it is through physical touch, shared experiences, meaningful conversations, or learning about each other's bodies, any effort to create a connection and intimacy will be remembered by the other person,